Just try to imagine an animal that could literally snap its jaws open and slice right through a small boat. This giant shark, the Megalodon, ruled the prehistoric oceans for millions of years, surpassing even its most famous descendant, but then it vanished. One burning question remains. Why did this colossal creature become extinct? Los Angeles, Megalodon, the most massive shark ever to prowl the oceans, may have gotten so big that it was prone to extinction. For some mysterious reason, though the biggest and smallest members of the species were the same length, many of the giant sea monsters got longer over a 14 million year period, and then they all went extinct, new research suggests. Although it's not clear why the behemoths were getting bigger over evolutionary time, their big size may have made them more vulnerable to extinction, said Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute in Panama. She presented her findings here at the 73rd Annual Society of Vertebrate Paleontology meeting. Bigger is better? Megalodon could grow up to 60 feet, 18 meters long, and had a bite more powerful than that of a Tyrannosaurus rex. The sea monsters terrorized the oceans from about 16 million to 2 million years ago. Though that may seem like a long reign, other shark species have survived for 50 million years or more without significant changes in body plan. This species is not as successful as we think. A lot of sharks that were alive during the time of Megalodon are still around today. Body size affects nearly every aspect of an organism's biology and ecology. When you have a very large organism like Megalodon, that can be very good or very bad. Bigger animals can eat a wider range of foods and be fiercer predators than their pipsqueak pals. But because they eat more types of animals, they also have more competition for those animals. And the ecosystem can support a lower population density of them since they need more resources, including space, to survive. When food supplies dwindled, these giant creatures could have had a tough time finding enough food. It's still not clear exactly why the behemoths got bigger. Perhaps something was going on with the productivity and climate that produced that pattern, or with their prey and their competitors that made the species become large. Either way, being so huge may have made them more vulnerable to extinction. Though the megasharks died off, their close relatives, great white sharks, still terrorize the seas today. The possible body size increase in the Megalodon lineage over geologic time will need to be tested further by examining Megalodon collections throughout the world. But the idea is important to understand the rise and extinction of the top predator lineage that must have had a significant impact to the ocean ecology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing adventures and discoveries.